Hey everyone, this is Vani here and I welcome you all to the another podcast interview of Russian Global. Today we are going to talk about an incredible venture, businesswoman and wife. Like so many of us, she's multi-passionate and she's here to share a bit about her journey to creating a life she truly loves. She has her own food delivery system in Kolkata named Tempting Taste. Cuisines, be it Indian, Chinese, Italian and whatnot. And do you guys know what is the USP of this brand? The USP of this brand is they sell extremely beautifully handcrafted food platter along with the exceptionally delicious tempting food in it, which I believe is the essence of what makes their food or services better than any competitors out here. So with this, I'd like to welcome you, ma'am. Welcome to the Ferocious podcast. And thank you so much for taking the time out, and which I really appreciate. It's my pleasure to interview you today, and I'm very happy that I got this opportunity to, know you even more better.
Pleasure for me too. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So, with your permissions, should I start the interview with the question?
Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
please.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, how about we start with your childhood days? I mean, can you enlighten us about that?
Childhood days. Okay, I'm Pooja, first of all. I'm born and brought up in Kolkata. And my childhood has been pretty good. I am born and brought up in Calcutta. Even I got married in a family which is Calcutta based. And I got married to my childhood friend also. So everything so far has been good. My childhood has been pretty good. I have 2 siblings. And I belong to a family where everybody is doing something or the other. Though I started a little late, but I'm happy that I have started something on my own. And everybody is a food lover in my family. So this is it.
Very well, ma'am. Now let's talk about your venture. So, what is the background story of Tempting Taste and how you have coined its name?
See, I came up with this idea of Tempting Taste because I have, as I told you in the first question also, that I belong to a family where everybody loves to eat good food. And जब मैं लोगों से मिलती हूँ तब whether it be my friend, whether it my other family members, मैं को एक चीज समझ में आ गया है कि everybody loves to eat good food. So since I feel and many others in my family also have complimented me by saying कि I'm a good cook. So I just thought of coming up with this idea कि क्यों ना मैं अपना कुछ fancy platter का business start करूँ and I should start making good food and serving it in a fancy and stylish way because the presentation matters a lot. So
Right.
this why I came up with the idea of introducing Tempting Taste.
Yeah, and the way you have responded not just determines your success till date. I mean, most of the time होता है ना ऐसा कि लोग सोचते हैं कि चलो करते हैं, but जब implement करने का time आता है तो वहाँ पर वो कहीं ना कहीं जाकर के वो जो एक relentless pace हो जाता है, they think that is not right for them. So,
Absolutely.
yes, ma'am. So, but the way you think is, I think that's really incredible. Okay. So, ma'am.
Actually कि काफी समय से मैं सोच रही थी,
Yes,
फिर
ma'am.
मेरे को लगा कि finally it's high time तो अब मुझे launch कर देना चाहिए.
Right. Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, ये जो सारे delicious dishes जो होते हैं, ma'am, so like, do you cook these things all by yourself?
More or less yes, हाँ कि मैं खुद करती हूँ, but I have 2 helpers with me and there is a delivery system also. And तो मैं खुद cook करती हूँ. The technique is mine, the recipe is mine, the secret ingredients are mine, and which enhances the taste and which makes my dish stand out from the ones available in the market, from the ones available from other people who are doing the same business. So yes, but मेरे helpers का भी बहुत supportive role है. They do a lot for me. So yes, you can say we are a little team and we are all working together to make Tempting Taste a big success.
Yeah, that's perfect, ma'am. Okay. So, ma'am, tell me more about it. Did you face any kind of challenges also when you started with Tempting Taste?
See, I wouldn't say that I had to face any challenge. It would be wrong to say that. But yes, you can say I was little apprehensive in the sense I was little confused कि कैसे मैं इसको launch करूँ. I wanted to launch it officially, to launch it in a proper way. So मैं इन सब चीजों को लेके I was a little confused and I was a little worried कि कैसे कर पाऊंगी. But I came in touch with Faroshian and with my husband's suggestions and other people supporting me and giving me lot of ideas and जितना लोगों से मैं बात करती थी उतने inputs आते थे. फिर ऐसे करते करते I would not say कि I had overcome the challenges, but yes, definitely it guided me in a better way and ultimately I was able to launch it.
Amazing, ma'am. Okay. So since you have mentioned these things, now I'm very much eager to know some of your, traveling experiences you have faced ever since Tempting Taste came into your life. Since I'm also into traveling, and who doesn't love traveling, right? So did it help you in any way So ma'am, did it help you in any way in understanding different flavors and cuisines and stuff like that?
Yes, traveling and food goes hand in hand. जहाँ भी हम जाते हैं, you want to try the food of that city, right?
Right.
So same is the case with me and everyone who loves to travel. Fortunately, I have been married to a person who also loves to travel and who has taken me to hell lot of places, be it in India or abroad. And so I have been able to taste various kinds of cuisines everywhere. For example, अगर आप साउथ चले जाओ तो आपको समझ में आएगा what is the difference between dosa they cook and what we cook. So छोटी छोटी चीजों में बहुत डिफरेंस आ जाता है. जैसे मैं पेरिस भी गई हूँ तो आई नो हाउ डू दे सर्व फ्रेंच फ्राइज. उनका फ्रेंच फ्राइज का डेफिनेशन क्या है, हमारा फ्रेंच फ्राइज का डेफिनेशन क्या है. एंड द वे पीपल सर्व फूड, the more you see platters, the more you see plates, the more you see the garnishing, आप कितना कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. छोटी से छोटी जगह है, छोटे से छोटे एक्सपीरियंस है. जहाँ पे आप जाते हो, आप एक छोटे से एक टाउन में भी जाओगे और आप देखोगे कि वहाँ पे कैसे सर्व किया जाता है उनका लिट्टी चोखा या हमारा, या फिर एनीथिंग एनीथिंग यू नेम इट एंड आई कैन से. एंड फिर आप किसी प्रोफेशनल के यहाँ पे जाते हो या फिर यू विजिट एनी 5 स्टार और 7 स्टार प्रॉपर्टी रेस्टोरेंट या होटल, तो यू विल सी कि वो लोग कितना ब्यूटीफुली अपना फूड को गार्निश करते हैं. सो द मोर यू सी, द मोर यू ईट, I think it enhances your knowledge. बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. And I still feel कि ठीक है, I definitely feel that I am a good cook, I am doing a good work, but I still think that I have a lot to learn. जितना मैं लोगों को देखती हूँ, सीखती हूँ, तो it's definitely very much entertaining and बहुत मजा आता है, अच्छा लगता है.
बिल्कुल मैम, I'm sure. तो मैम आप like you mentioned you have been to some places and some countries, तो अगर आप उन places and countries के नाम भी अगर हम हमारे दर्शकों को बता सकें where you have been to.
बिल्कुल. Of course, why not? I would love to share the details. In India, I have been to North East, I have been to South India. तिरुपति तो मुझे बहुत पसंद है, तो वहाँ पे हम लोग 3-4 बार जा चुके हैं. तो जितनी बार हम तिरुपति जाते हैं, मेक इट अ पॉइंट टू कवर नियर बाय का कोई दूसरा सिटीज, बीच चेन्नई बीच, ऊटी बीच, कोडाईकनाल, काफी सारे, बैंगलोर हो गया मेरा. Then in North East we have done Darjeeling, Sikkim, Bangkok, and then I have also been to Andaman and Nicobar Islands. I have also been to Colombo, that is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka में I have been to Kandy, Novara, India. Then बड़े ट्रिप्स में अगर आप बात करोगे तो I have been to London, Paris. Then I have done Singapore, Malaysia. Lot of trips have been done. And I am a pure vegetarian. I don't cook, I don't eat, and I don't cook obviously वो सब फूड. लेकिन आप एक छोटी से छोटी चीज की भी जब आप दूसरे के टेबल में वो प्लेट देखते हो तो आपको समझ में आता है कि हर एक चीज को सर्व करने का एक कितना सुंदर एंड ब्यूटीफुल वे होता है. एंड आप किसी न किसी से एक आइडिया सीखते हो. So the more you travel, the more you learn. So I think traveling really helps. It has definitely improved my cooking. I would say that for sure. एक सोमतान सैलेड बोल के होता है, थाई सैलेड होता है. And I was not even aware that it is made of raw papaya. And मुझे वो आता भी नहीं. मुझे लगा कि I would never like to eat that. I would never order. But when I went to Bangkok and मेरी भाभी ने मुझे बना के खिलाया, and trust me, I loved it. कि मतलब उसको बनाने के लिए जो भी अलग टाइप का मॉडर्न इक्विपमेंट वो सब मैंने लेकर आई. बिकॉज आई लव जितना आप जगह ट्रैवल करते हो उतना आप सीखते हो एंड द नॉलेज इंक्रीजेस. एंड आई पर्सनली फील कि यस यू शुड डेफिनेटली ट्रैवल. एक राजमा छोले ही आप समझ लो, जम्मू की जो बात होती है, वैसे भी जम्मू कटरा में जब मैं गई थी वहाँ पे तो राजमा एंड राइस वहाँ का मेन क्विजीन है, वो वहाँ का मेन खाना है. तो आप जब वो वहाँ का खाते हो तब आपको समझ में आता है आप अपने घर में कहाँ लैकिंग हो, वो वाला टेस्ट कैसे ला सकते हो. So the more you try, the more you learn, the more you travel, the more you grow. This is what I feel.
Absolutely right. Okay. Yeah. So ma'am, being a womanpreneur yourself, you have handled it so brilliantly. So how do you make time for your family and kids and most important yourself while juggling between personal and professional life?
See, I wouldn't say कि it is difficult, but हाँ अगर आपने ठान लेते हो अपने लाइफ में कुछ करने का तो वो बैलेंस हो जाता है. मुझे तो इतना समझ में आया अभी तक कि अच्छे से हो जाता है. इट इज डेफिनेटली अ चैलेंजिंग एट टाइम्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू हैव अदर कमिटमेंट्स, कोई फैमिली फंक्शन आ जाता है या आपके बच्चे का एग्जाम आ जाता है, देन इट गेट्स अ लिटिल चैलेंजिंग. for those 2 to 3 days, या फिर you can say for those 1 week, for that 1 week particularly. But otherwise it is not that difficult because keeping the kind of venture I have launched, उसमें मैं अगर दिन का 3 hours भी अगर मन लगा के दे रही हूँ अपना प्लेटर को सर्व करने के लिए, it is more than sufficient and it doesn't really hamper my personal life. So I wouldn't say कि it is a challenge for me. आराम से मैनेज हो जाता है एंड दैट विलिंगनेस और पैशन जो होता है कुकिंग का वो है, तो इसीलिए मुझे वो फ्रैंकली वो चैलेंज जैसा लगता नहीं है. आई टेक इट वेरी स्पोर्टिवली.
Okay, ma'am. And who and what inspires you to work hard regularly and make things like this happen?
आई वुड से कि मेरी मदर ने बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले किया है बिकॉज उनको मालूम भी नहीं था कि आई एम प्लानिंग टू स्टार्ट समथिंग लाइक दिस, बट सिंस शी इज अ वेरी गुड कुक, तो वो हमेशा मेरे को आइडियाज देती थी कि यू कैन मेक दिस डिश इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वे एंड यू नो इससे आपका टेस्ट और अच्छा हो जाता है और अच्छा हो जाता है. तो मैं उनसे बहुत इंस्पायर होती हूँ इन टर्म्स ऑफ कुकिंग. एंड अगर टेम्पटिंग टेस्ट को लॉन्च करने के नजरिए से मैं बात करूँ तो आई वुड से कि माई हस्बैंड हैज बीन अ बिग मोटिवेशन फॉर मी. He has done lot of homework and research before launching this, and I would not take the credit of my siblings. They also immensely supported me. Everybody, you know, has played a pivotal role in launching Tempting Taste. So मैं सबको देख के inspired and motivated feel करती हूँ, and it, you know, it boosts me to do better and better each and every passing day, and every task that I execute, उन सबको ध्यान में रखते हुए do कि हाँ ठीक है ये उन लोग को पसंद आ रहा है, तो आई एम श्योर जिसको मैं सेंड करी हूँ उसको भी पक्का पसंद आएगा.
Wow,
So this is
that's
what the journey is all about.
Okay, ma'am. So the transition from the person you were and the person you are right now, and with everything that has happened so far, so you'd like to give credit to them. That's brilliant.
Yes,
Okay.
of course. Credit देखो हार्ड वर्क मेरा है.
Yes, ma'am.
आई वुड से आइडियाज मेरे हैं, बट कोई भी हार्ड वर्क आइडियाज अगर आपका कोई सपोर्ट नहीं होगा तो इट डजंट कम इनटू एग्जीक्यूशन, है ना.
Right.
सो ऑब्वियसली नीड अ बैकअप, एंड वो वर्ड्स के जो बैकअप होते हैं, जो मोटिवेशन का जो बैकअप होता है, वी ऑल लुक फॉरवर्ड टू दैट ना इन सम वे और द अदर, फ्रॉम आवर पेरेंट्स, फ्रॉम आवर फैमिली मेंबर्स, फ्रॉम आवर स्पाउस.
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
इसीलिए तो आई हैव बीन वेरी फॉर्चुनेट कि आई हैव बीन ब्लेस्ड विद अ गुड फैमिली एंड विद अ वंडरफुल हस्बैंड जो मेरे को
That's it, ma'am.
दे मोटिवेट मी, दे इंस्पायर मी एवरी डे. तभी से मैं शुरू से आपको इंटरव्यू में बोल रही हूँ कि इट इज नॉट चैलेंजिंग फॉर मी एट ऑल.
Okay, that's great, ma'am. You are a lucky woman, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you have any other ventures as well?
No. Tempting Taste is the only venture I have at present.
Okay. So how much your life has changed since the beginning of Tempting Taste?
Yes, definitely life has changed because जब तक मैं Tempting Taste नहीं कर रही थी, my focus was completely on family, my husband, my kids, and taking care of the household chores. लेकिन अब now that I have launched Tempting Taste, so I have lot of orders coming in and there are lot of calls. जब लोग इंक्वायरी के लिए कॉल करते हैं, जब पूछने के लिए फोन करते हैं, या फिर इवन टू इंक्वायर अबाउट द आइडिया, या फिर एवरीथिंग, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स हैव चेंज. लोगों का मेरे को देखने का नजरिया भी चेंज हो गया, मुझे ऐसा लगता है.
Absolutely.
There are few people जिनको लगता है they have started respecting me a little more than what it was before. I wouldn't. मतलब life has definitely changed in a positive way. And अच्छा लगता है when people inquire you, and especially when you execute an order and उसके बाद जब आपका कॉल आता है appreciation का, trust me, it is an overwhelming feeling. बहुत मजा आता है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है, you feel so proud. मजा आता है, अच्छा लगता है. So definitely life has changed, but it has changed for the better.
That's amazing, ma'am. So where do you see Tempting Taste in say 3 years down the line, and then any long-term goals and USP you have planned for Tempting Taste?
Long-term goals के बारे में मैं यही बोलूंगी कि it's too early to say because it's been only 1.5 months or almost 2 months you can say that I have launched this venture. And but obviously the way that I have received the response, I am very overwhelmed. I am very happy with the response, and if with the God's blessings, and अगर ये ऐसा ही continue होता रहता है, then I think मैं चाहूंगी कि मैं आगे जाके अपना कोई छोटा सा catering business खोलूं, where I'll be having a proper team and I will be able to cater the needs of food lovers, 100 to 150 or 200 people at the most you can say. Yes, I see Tempting Taste growing, but it's too early to say. But since you are asking me 3 years down the line, so yes, I would say that yes, I want Tempting Taste to grow to that level in Kolkata.
Okay. Yeah.
मैं चाहती हूँ कि every family where people are food lovers, where people love to eat good food, जो बहुत ज्यादा हाइजीन को लेकर कॉन्शियस होते हैं. So since we are Tempting Taste, हमारा USP यही है कि हमारा homemade hygiene food है. So every person who is खाने का शौकीन है, मैं चाहती हूँ उसको वो कोलकातन को मालूम हो कि there is someone in Kolkata who is a part of Tempting Taste and who will be able to live up to the expectations.
Absolutely, ma'am. We all pray the same, ma'am. In fact, moreover, हमारे जैसे लोग जो कि जो Tempting Taste को जानते हैं, इतना प्यार करते हैं, जिन्हें पता है वो क्या है, definitely want the same thing as you do, ma'am. Okay. Now I really want you to tell us about your menu. आपकी menu क्या है, ma'am?
See, in the menu, I have covered all the 3 sections, जो basically एक Indian family और usually not Indians, I would say कि usually vegetarians जाके एक restaurant में order करते हैं. So I have covered all the 3 cuisines: Indian cuisine, Chinese cuisine, and Italian cuisine. In the Indian cuisine, I have kept all the 5 basic curries जो हम लोग order करते हैं, जैसे दाल मखनी हुआ, पनीर का हुआ. पनीर में I have kept the option कि when you are calling me to place an order, you can make your choices that whether you want it in red gravy or white gravy. Then there is most special malai kofta, जो इसको मैं बोलूँगी पूजा स्पेशल मलाई कोफ्ता है, which I am sure once you have it, you'll definitely order again. And then there is dal tadka and vegetable jhal parehi, which is nothing but mixed vegetable. So everything has a different taste. सबकी gravy अलग होती है, सबका taste अलग है. And once you order, I'm sure you will be having the craving to have more. And then in the Chinese section, I have covered almost everything जो एक Indian Chinese lover order करना चाहेगा, starting right from noodles to chili potato and Szechuan fried rice. Everything you name it and we have it. And in the Italian cuisine also, I have kept it only 3 things, that is garlic bread, pizza and pasta. In pasta, we have all the 3 variants: white, mixed and red sauce. And the response has been overwhelming. बहुत अच्छा response रहा है pasta को, and I would say कि more or less मैंने सब कवर किया है. And then there is a special menu जहाँ पे मैंने अपने mention किया also available, जिसमें सारे mostly पाव based items है. पाव based items जैसे कि पाव भाजी हो गए, आपके पुलाव पाव हो गए, then you have वड़ा पाव, लहसुनी वड़ा पाव. So those people who love to eat पाव या फिर जिनको लंच या डिनर प्लेटर ऑर्डर करने का मन नहीं है, they can order for something like this, जो उनका स्नैक्स टाइम का क्रेविंग्स को, हंगर को मीट करेगा. इसका भी ये भी मैंने काफी, ये तो इनफैक्ट मैंने कॉर्पोरेट ऑर्डर्स मेरे को इसके बहुत मिलते हैं, एंड ट्रस्ट मी द रिस्पॉन्स हैज बीन गुड, वेरी गुड. सो दिस इज व्हाट द मेन्यू इज ऑल अबाउट. तो जितना मुझे लगता था कि मेरे डोमेन में आ सकता है, जितना मैं कर सकती हूँ, उतना मैंने सब इंक्लूड करने का कोशिश किया है. एंड विथ एवरी पासिंग ईयर आई विल या फिर यू कैन से विथ एवरी पासिंग 3 to 4 months आई विल ट्राई टू इंट्रोड्यूस 1 or 2 new items so that there is a change in the menu, there is a revision in the menu, and people get more and more variety from Tempting Taste.
Right, that's very nice, ma'am. So, ma'am, ये सारे जो ideas है, जितने भी innovative ideas हैं आपको आते हैं of making these beautiful customized food you have mentioned right now, food trays and platters हो गए, जो कि आपकी speciality भी रही है. So, ma'am, how do you get such ideas and where from?
Ideas तो आते हैं because हम इतने जन को देखते हैं कि आज हमारे घर में छोटा सा फॉर एग्जाम्पल मिठाई भी आता है. एक हम 4 मिठाई किसी को नॉर्मल में देते हैं, बट वो उसको ट्रे में सजा के देते हैं. सो इट मेक्स सच अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस ना. मिठाई तो वही रहती है, बट व्हेन द प्रेजेंटेशन मैटर्स अ लॉट. सो आप जितना आप रिसर्च करते हो, जितना आप लोगों को ऑब्जर्व करते हो, लोगों का खाने का टेस्ट को ऑब्जर्व करते हो, जितना आप, मेरे को लगता है कि इट इज ऑल अबाउट रिसर्च. इट इज नॉट ओनली अबाउट गूगल, यूट्यूब. लेकिन हाँ, जितना आप ट्रैवल करते हो उतना आप सीखते हो कि मार्केट में ये चीज भी अवेलेबल है, एंड दिस इज हाउ यू कैन इनकॉर्पोरेट इट इनटू योर प्लेटर टू मेक इट लुक अ वेरी लैविश, अ वेरी फैंसी प्लेटर. सो अच्छा लगता है, एंड द क्लासी इट लुक्स द बेटर इट लुक्स.
यस मैम.
तो अच्छा लगता है मुझे. So I'm using not only flowers, I'm not using only balloons, but I'm using lights and also lights जो होते हैं. Everything, to make my platter look as beautiful as my customer wants it to look like. It's like that.
Sure, ma'am, sure. And I guess that, learning curve quickly kicks in. I mean, once you made sure that this is the right thing, right ingredients, it's a one-time job for sure to make sure that this is the right food for me. And it's pretty easy, and next time you go like that. So that's great. I mean, that's a great way to see your half glass full, like you're mentioning. Okay, ma'am. So moving on to the next question is, ma'am, what is the favorite part of your daily routine?
Favorite part of my daily routine is, I would say, my morning. मेरा morning start होते ही right immediately after bath मैं जो 30 minutes मैं अपने मंदिर के सामने में बिताती हूँ for worshipping God. for doing my puja and for my doing my part and all, वो मेरा डे का बेस्ट पार्ट होता है because you know that keeps me going. मेरा वो सुबह का स्टार्टिंग ही अगर जब वैसे होता है तो it gives me a kind of belief, it gives me a kind of strength, it gives me a kind of courage, it gives me a kind of I would say क्या बोलूँ मैं, एक विश्वास देता है कि yes everything will be smooth and everything will go well. तो एक अजीब सा ताकत मिलता है, एक अच्छा बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग आती है which cannot be expressed in words. So that is the best part. उसके बिना मुझे बहुत इनकम्प्लीट लगता है. So I think सुबह का पूजा it is the best part.
That's really
really keeps me going, you know.
Yes, ma'am.
And उसके बाद मेरा जैसे हमेशा से रूटीन रहा है, like not even after शादी, in fact before शादी से भी हमारे घर में we have been brought up like that कि you know right जैसे ही आपका बात खत्म हुआ you just you know dress yourself and then आप आ जाओ मंदिर के सामने बैठ जाओ and speak your heart out, you know. सब कुछ बोल डालो वहाँ पे and अच्छा लगता है. It's really makes it real. This is what I feel. बाकी कोई पता नहीं.
मैम मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है कि हमें वी नीड मोर पीपल लाइक यू जो ऐसे सोचते हो, जिनकी ऐसी सोच हो एंड लेट पीपल नो लाइक जैसे भी आपने मेंशन किया ये सारी पॉइंट्स so that you know it can really affect you and it can easily without spending too much of time हमें अच्छा फील करा सके to make ourselves good and make healthy choices like this. So
actually yes ma'am, बहुत अच्छा लगता है and I would suggest सबको करना चाहिए. At least you should start your day by worshiping God. Do it for 2 minutes. जरूरी नहीं है सबको मैं बोलूँ कि मेरे जैसे आधी घंटा बैठ जाओ, लेकिन do it for 2 minutes and start your day and I'm sure things will definitely you know work. मुझे ऐसा लगता है. This is my belief.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. So, ma'am, do your hobbies and interests receive the same priority in your daily schedule as your family and business?
Yes, definitely. ऐसा मुझे कोई problem नहीं होता because I have always mentioned cooking as one of my hobby.
Right.
And my interest is to learn more and more good food and you know different varieties of food. So देखा जाए तो this is something tempting taste is nothing but a extension of my hobby. मैं अपना जो हॉबी को ही आगे को परस्यू कर रही हूँ, उसी को ही मैं टेम्पटिंग टेस्ट के नाम से लॉन्च कर रही हूँ. सो obviously it receives equal importance, in fact more importance now after proper launching, and I do not see it getting affected or you know hampering my other interests. So it's been a pretty smooth ride.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. And you have brought up some really good points here, and I'm sure listeners will find it useful as well. So
I know
yes,
so
ma'am.
too.
Okay. Sure, ma'am. So, ma'am, why do you think tempting taste का platter जो है इतना unique है और इतना special है, and people are loving it out there?
I think tempting taste से मैंने ना customization का option open रखा है. For example, even if a Jain family who doesn't really want to eat onion and garlic food, even they are ordering, you know, with tempting taste because we are very much open to cooking food without onion and garlic. And जब आप अपने birthdays और anniversaries के लिए order place कर रहे हो to make your loved ones feel special, so I am keeping the customization option open in this also. Like people are sharing their loved one's photo with me and फिर वो message देते हैं कि please convey कर दीजिएगा, you know, in a platter, decorate it and you know write it down somewhere on their favorite dish. तो ये सब चीज मेरे को लग रहा है कि stand out करता है when I'm incorporating it all this in the platter, and especially birthdays and anniversaries when you want to make your loved ones feel special, and जब वो उनके चॉइसेस के अनुसार मेरा प्लेटर जब डेकोरेट होकर जा रहा है, तो आई थिंक दैट्स द रीजन व्हाई द रिस्पांस हैज बीन सो गुड. बिकॉज सो फार जितने भी प्लेटर्स मैंने एग्जीक्यूट किए हैं, चाहे वो मॉम टू बी प्लेटर्स हो, चाहे वो फादर टू बी प्लेटर्स हो, चाहे वो एंगेजमेंट के प्लेटर्स हो, चाहे वो नॉर्मल बर्थडे प्लेटर्स हो. इनफैक्ट मैंने ऐसे प्लेटर्स भी सर्व कर चुकी हूँ जिसमें लोगों ने बोला कि आज ना मन नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ अच्छा बना के भेजना है, लेकिन आई वॉन्ट माई हस्बैंड टू लुक गुड, यू नो फील गुड, आई वॉन्ट टू सी हिज एक्सप्रेशन व्हेन ही सीज अ प्लेटर, यू नो, इन अ डेकोरेटिव फॉर्मेट. तो हर टाइप के लोग आते हैं, जब वो प्लेटर देखते हैं सजा हुआ तो ऑब्वियसली सबको बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. दैट इज वाई. एंड आई वुड ऑल्सो लाइक टू मेंशन कि देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल जो प्लेटर्स के सिवा बॉक्स पैकिंग को भी पसंद कर रहे हैं. एंड कॉर्पोरेट ऑर्डर्स जो आते हैं, दे ऑब्वियसली दे कॉल मी एंड से कि मैम वी डोंट नीड द प्लेटर्स ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज देयर इज नो स्पेशल ओकेजन, वी जस्ट वांट टू ईट द फूड फ्रॉम टेम्पटिंग टेस्ट. So I would definitely like to mention that we are not dealing with only platters. We are also serving food in boxes. You know, your choice. You name it, you make it. You just tell our preferences. You tell your preferences to us, and you know we will abide by the instructions of yours and serve it the way you want it to be.
Okay. since you yourself have been an inspiration for all of us who are listening to this podcast right now, what would you like to say or suggest to the budding womenpreneurs or mompreneurs out there?
To all the budding womenpreneurs and to mompreneurs, I will definitely say, खुद के साथ 10-15 मिनट एक दिन में बैठो, think कि आपका इंटरेस्ट क्या है, and do something for yourself. It is not only about money every time, trust me, and it is about self satisfaction. खुद को क्या चीज से खुशी मिल रही है सबसे ज्यादा, खुद को क्या चीज करके संतुष्टि मिल रही है. This is what I did, and so I would like to suggest the same thing to others. कि हाँ, बैठो अपने साथ. डोंट ऑलवेज थिंक कि नहीं, पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाएगा, मेरे पास तो टाइम नहीं है. ट्रस्ट में जब आप ठान लेते हो ना, टाइम भी निकल जाता है, वे आउट निकल जाता है, अपने आप सब रास्ते खुलने लग जाते हैं. इट्स जस्ट दैट कि वी आर लिटिल लेस डिटर्मिन्ड. इन फैक्ट आई वाज अ लिटिल लेस डिटर्मिन्ड बिफोर टेम्पटिंग टेस्ट, बट सडनली देयर वाज अ चेंज इन मी एंड आई फेल्ट कि नहीं, मुझे करना है, मैं कर सकती हूँ. मेरे को यही लगता है. इनफैक्ट एवरी वुमन, एवरी पर्सन ऑन दिस अर्थ हैज सम और द अदर कैपेबिलिटी. इट्स जस्ट दैट कि कभी कभी हम उसको रियलाइज करने में या फिर उसको ओवरलुक कर जाते हैं या फिर उसको अवॉइड कर देते हैं. सो आई वुड से डोंट ओवरलुक इट. Sit and pursue it in some way or the other. Don't always think about money. Trust me, जो satisfaction मिलता है ना, वो after executing या फिर after जो भी आपका interest है उस चीज को जब आप pursue करते हो, तो it makes you feel great. So I would suggest to every mom कि हाँ, आपको करना चाहिए. Think beyond kids, think beyond family. And अगर आप कुछ करते हो तो it is not necessary कि it will hamper your family and kids. Everything can be managed and balanced. Just need to have the right perspective.
Absolutely.
This is what I feel.
Yeah, man. And being an HR intern myself from Ferocian Global, even I also believe that to survive this journey, you have to learn how to, recharge yourself first. Call it balance, call it wellness, call it peace. Your business and your life depends on it. So, yeah, I completely agree with you, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So at last, ma'am, I'd like to know what role Ferocian is playing in taking tempting test to, new heights.
Ferocian. They are playing a great role, and they are my digital marketing partner. And Ferocian नहीं होता तो मैं launch ही नहीं कर पाती. And they have been supporting me right from the day one. They have been patient listeners to my ideas, and फिर उसको execute करना and फिर giving it a feel and touch, which exactly what I want. Everything that Ferocian is doing is helping me a great deal to get business, and they are doing their work wonderfully. Best part is कि उन लोगों का team एकदम young लोगों का है, and everybody in the team, I feel, though I haven't met personally few of the members, but when I talk to them over the phone, I feel so comfortable, and they are always so eager to learn and know and to give their best performance to tempting taste. So I am very happy with the way Ferocian has worked, and I'm definitely looking forward to working with them in the future endeavors also.
Well, that's a really great note to end, ma'am. Thank you so much. And so before we go, I just want you to tell your website and other social account names as well, so that more people can find more about that.
You can find Tempting Taste Official everywhere, be it FB, उसमें भी Tempting Taste Official के नाम से ही है, and then there is Insta page also. Then we are officially Google certified business also now.
So guys, go to these websites and you'll find all the information on it on these various platforms. And thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us here, for giving us your valuable time. And it's my pleasure to host you today. And I'm sure a lot of people will find value in this and with your experiences which you have shared. So thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Same here, ma'am. Same here. And while you guys are there, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, follow to Ferocian Global on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Telegram, and where not. So that's it for now, folks. I'll be there with another podcast real soon. So stay tuned. Thanks for your time. Until then, take care. Cheers.